In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAL 59. So the first thing you need to do is shut down Valorant completely. You can do this by going here to Task Manager and make sure you find Valorant and just right click and end task. So anytime you find Valorant or Riot games, so it could be Riot, so you could write Riot and you will be able to find. So if you find Riot or Valorant, just right click and end the task. Go to details and do the same thing. If you find Valorant or Riot, just right click and process tree. And here you want to make sure you don't have Riot running or Valorant, so make sure you shut them down. Next thing, go here, type in run and then type app data, click OK. And then over here, go to local and then down here, find Riot games. So if you press R, you should be able to find it faster. Go to Riot client and delete all of these. So these are just unnecessary logs and unnecessary folders you can safely delete. After you delete them and the next time you run the game, your issue should be fixed.